Hi guys, this is Vidur and I'm a senior systems engineer in Juniper Networks for Mist Wireless. And in today's video, we'll understand the SLE AP uptime. Here's the Mist dashboard, and we have a live demo site here and have it set to last 7 days so that we get data for the last entire week. We want to focus on the AP uptime SLE here, which is right at the bottom, and which takes into account the AP which has not been reachable to the cloud for some odd reason, but it is still up and running at your end. The site down, AP reboot, switch down. So there seems to be some sort of intelligence built in this, guys, which basically means if let's say on a switch at a time, let's say 15 APs go down at the same time, then instead of reporting to you that 15 APs went down, we will report to you as the switch went down, because we understand the LLDP source through the on the switch, and we understand that, and we'll give you the right information. Similarly, if we understand that at one particular site at the same time, let's say 500 APs go down, so instead of sending you 500 different notifications and emails letting you know the APs have gone down, we will simply report that as a site went down. So that's the kind of intelligence that is already is built into this particular SLE, and understands that if the AP has been unreachable, it will report that here. If the AP has rebooted for some reason, it will report that here. Currently on this side, I see this to be 100% compliant, which means no issue has happened so far. However, this is a test site, so you may always see some APs here and there rebooting. What you want to also look at is the settings tab here, the hamburger icon. If I click here, I'll show you what to set as the goal. Surprisingly, I mean, not surprisingly, that the AP uptime, there is no way you can set any value here, because we assume that you want 100% AP uptime at all times, right? That's the goal. That's always going to be the goal. So that's why we don't let you set a threshold or a goal here. So this is all about AP uptime, and something which you should know when you're running a network, or monitoring the Mist dashboard at all times. Any questions you have about this, just drop me a message on the chat, and I'll be able to address that to you ASAP. Thank you guys for joining. Hope this was helpful, and you have a wonderful day.